If this video has reached you right now, then this is no coincidence, because the universe has sent me to you during this time to help remove bad luck, curses, hexes, evil eyes, and I'll be further protecting you against toxic people and bad energies. If you accept this energy protection today, then all you need to do is simply nod or say I accept. Let's begin. I would like to call in Archangel Michael to come on through to you to help to shield and to protect your energy. I can guarantee that if you believe this healing with an open mind and heart, that anything that does not belong in your energy will simply slip away. It's time to release anything that does not serve you or your highest good, so you can live in peace. I will now proceed to pull out any type of bad luck, curses, hexes, evil eyes, or any type of bad energy that might be around you during this time. Please take a deep breath in and out. I am now sealing off these Reiki healing energies to further protect you from this time and space moving forward. You are now free of anything that does not serve you or your highest good. I also ask to borrow Archangel Michael's shield to act as a buffer to further protect you from any type of negativity moving forward. And so it is.